Hello, and how are you guys? It's your boy Dave Partner, and today I'm gonna be teaching you Chinese language, and it's the first course in the series. In this course, we're gonna go into the basics, and I'm going to be teaching you the Chinese language using a writing system called Pinyin. Pinyin is a romanticized way of writing the Chinese language. That is basically using English alphabets to write the Chinese words instead of using the Chinese writing characters. And the reason is that since this is your basics, your first course, I don't want to clutter the course, so I'm using the English alphabets to write the Chinese characters for you so that it will be easy for you to understand and pick up. I figured out that this is the best way to teach Chinese. So you cover this course, you learn it. Then as the course progresses, we'll gradually start introducing the writing system, the Chinese writing system, and it will all be sweet. All right, so what are the things you're going to learn in this course? The first thing you're going to be learning in this course is you'll be learning the tones, how to pronounce Chinese words. I've realized that so many courses on the internet just make it difficult to learn Chinese because they don't start at the right part. The right part is that you should be able to look at a Chinese word and pronounce it correctly like a native. You understand? If you can get the pronunciation, then you've covered like 20% of the language. The rest is easy if you can always pronounce a word well, because Chinese language is a tonal language. The language it has tones, so the way you pronounce a word determines what the meaning will be. So a word can have 3-4 different meanings depending on the way you pronounce it. So this is the core of the language. If you don't get the pronunciation right, forget it. You're not getting the language. And I tell you, this is the most spoken language in the world. Many people don't even know that. There are more people speaking Chinese language than any other language in the world. Alright, so I'm going to teach you the first tone, the first way to pronounce the words, the second tones, the third tones, the fourth tone, and then the neutral tone. There's a tone that most courses online don't mention. It's called a neutral tone. And there are so many Chinese words you pronounce with a neutral tone. And I'll teach you how to pronounce those words. So, and after that, there are some combination rules. There are just about 3 rules you need to master. You need to know whenever you're looking at a Chinese word and 2 tones are standing side by side each other. I will teach you that. And then there's a lot of practice. I know I've realized over the years that the best way for students to learn is that they are able to practice alongside the teacher. You understand? So there's a lot of practice in this course. So at the end of the day, you finish learning this course. Once you're done with this course, you're done. There's no let me get back to this course and then figure things out all over again. So the practice sessions help you to perfect your understanding of this course. All right, and then a little about me. My name is Dave Partner, and if this is my first course you're taking, I might be new to you, but if you're one of my 50,000 students on Udemy, then you would have understood my system of teaching and would have appreciated my method of impacting knowledge. So if you go to this address on Udemy, you will see I've made so many courses in different fields, and I have thousands of students, thousands of reviews. So I believe that this is one of those powerful courses you will take and you'll be really happy to recommend it to someone else. Alright, so and of course I'm on YouTube. I've made over 1 million views on YouTube, and this is the address. If you go to your browser and type this, you will see me on YouTube. Now about you, I hope that this particular course is the basics. That is, you've never heard anything about Chinese language, you've never learned anything. This is the place to start. This is the course to take, and I hope that at the end you will be able to say, yes, I've learned some things in Chinese language. Thank you very much. See you as you sign up for this course, and don't forget to leave a review at the end.